Yet another motorist has perished on the Bogwalk Gorge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A motorist perished in the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine on Sunday after the vehicle he was driving plunged into the rear causeway. The deceased man has been so far identified as Lenflord Henklewood, aged 72 years old, of Cumberland in Portmore, St. Catherine. It is reported that at around 12:45 p.m., Henklewood was driving a Toyota Tacoma van from the direction of Bogwalk when he lost control of the vehicle upon reaching the flat bridge and drifted into the river. The vehicle sank and Henklewood drowned before he could be rescued. The investigations are ongoing into the possible cause of the accident.
And then him lose control of the car. That possible. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, when you now pass flat bridge charge, stop, drop it, stop. He must stop dropping the river. When you now pass flat bridge charge, when you need to take off on a seat belt. When you need to take off on a seat belt, you see me? Hey, man, I get paid for this now. No, I send a gift, you know, you talk about what kind of report. What the fuck you mean? So he went over, him dead. He wasn't moving when him just went over. Oh, me I gonna know that. Ah, why? Yo, me, I respect for them rules there, you know. Yes, me. I have the rules factory. Suppose TikTok ban the live. Cause me I post dead body. Jump in and save him. That niggas wild. For them. Yeah, I can't understand the story either. Watch that dog, yeah. What's Justin? Him a move like say him can control traffic and them things. Anyways, I panic, you know. This is Flatbridge, bro. This is Flatbridge.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.